There are certain drawbacks of some store-bought mouthwashes, particularly for those who have allergies or aversions to chemical ingredients. In such cases, homemade oral rinses can provide a viable alternative. Here are 3 homemade mouthwash options and their benefits. Warm salt water mouthwash. This simple and effective homemade mouthwash has several advantages. It is noted for preserving beneficial mouth bacteria while reducing harmful ones. Warm salt water helps balance the mouth's pH level, preventing conditions like periodontal disease and tooth decay. Additionally, it can combat bad breath and soothe inflamed gums. Making this mouthwash involves dissolving a teaspoon of table salt in a glass of water, and it can be enhanced with essential oils like tea tree oil, neem oil, or coconut oil for added oral health benefits. Baking soda can also be added for teeth whitening. Apple cider vinegar mouthwash. Apple cider vinegar, ACV, is explored as another homemade mouthwash option. ACV is known for its antibacterial properties and can combat bad bacteria. It can even be effective against conditions like oral thrush and gum disease. However, one should be careful about its high acidity, which can harm enamel. To use ACV as a mouthwash, it should be diluted with water to protect the teeth. Despite its acidity, when used correctly, diluted ACV can serve as an all-natural mouthwash alternative. Hydrogen peroxide mouthwash. Hydrogen peroxide, often associated with teeth whitening, is introduced as a mouthwash option with antiviral, antibacterial, and antimicrobial properties. It can help clean the gums and may aid in treating gingivitis. Like ACV, it has the potential to damage enamel. Therefore, it is advised to dilute hydrogen peroxide with water before using it as a mouthwash. This dilution should be swished around the mouth for no longer than 30 seconds. It is also important to consult with a dentist before making any changes to one's oral care routine, whether it involves commercial or homemade mouthwashes. It has to be noted that no mouthwash, regardless of its origin, should replace the essential practices of daily brushing and flossing. Homemade mouthwashes can be a suitable option for individuals looking to avoid certain chemicals or explore natural alternatives for their oral health.